So let's talk about SOS and what the price will do, because it was crazy sell-off yesterday. So today, are we gonna see the sell-off again? Because I can see here pre-market is we are already 5% up. So we're gonna talk about this before we go in the video. I want to say thank you for you guys for the 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And let's go. Big warning sign for SOS and big sign of weakness, but guess what, we didn't, and we hold up, and now by the pre-market we have 5% up, and this is a really good news, because by this week, this is important guys, by this week we need a test again for the $4.68 and destroy this concrete of resistance here. We want to destroy it this time guys. A big massive buying pressure. We want to see overcome the selling pressure from this selling the short sellers here. So by today we see the pre-market is $4.50, is still not clear enough because we have the rejection area around the $4.68, clear as that. So now we have the closing candle here above, as I told you, because before we get big rejection around this area again. Let me clear this for you guys to see clearly, and you can see this big wick being tested around the $4.68. So by this pre-market 5%, this is a good momentum up. So by today we're gonna test this level closing above, then we can see then the other rejection around the $5.20. so be careful from this level. Even when we clear this for maybe tomorrow, we're gonna see a bit of rejection around the $5.20, so be careful. Even we got a rejection, never panic. So if you have a strategy, this is good, and when you have a strategy you never panic, because you know the price will consolidate and this is normal. But if we broke the resistance that became the support, this is a sign of weakness, and this is a sign that you told you to get out to buy, and this in a less price like a smart money do. Even if you're a long holder, you can sell a bit of your profit to average down in the coming days. This is how you do it. Never trade with emotion, just probability, and that's how we do it here. And I don't know what's happened to wait a second guys. Okay, the camera is stopped, so I will improvise and try to make it work. And sorry, and yeah, okay, we can see now. As I'm trying to say guys, I'm trying to not edit or anything, so I'm trying to make it fluid as possible. So as we can talk here, as we can see, if we got rejected again at this level, look with me guys, this is really important. If we got rejected at this level, this time we might, if we saw the $4.15 for SOS, this is a big sign of the price will go even lower, and we're gonna see the $3.28. This is really important. We don't want to get rejected here. If even we got rejected, we don't want to visit the $4.12, because if we close below the $4.12, this is a big sign that we're gonna see the $3.30. Simple as that. Make your life simpler by doing preset determined prices. This is it. Now we have the exponential average hold up here. Let's go to small picture to see clearly. Yes, we have our exponential average acting as a bouncing ball, and we don't want to go below this level. That's what we want to see. Let me clear this, okay, to see clearly here. this is the price. Even if we got rejected around the $4 again, we don't want to go below our exponential average here, because now is not written yet, but this exponential average will preferably will coil up. So even we get rejected here, we go below at $4.36 and around this level. So this is really important to not go back to $4.12 even, but we have to bounce from our exponential average and we do higher lows. And this is really important to have the momentum and then break this level, not closing here. The moment I see a closing candle here, that's mean we're gonna test the $3.80, then we're gonna see the $3.30. This is really important, guys. As I always show you guys, have a predetermined plan, have an exit strategy, define yourself, long holder or short holder. If you don't know how to do that and is too much, check my Patreon. I will guide you through. Have a tire for that, caution one-on-one if you want, and there is another tire if you want me to like the 3 months